Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your OBS video file's location and switch the file type from FLV to MP4. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS is running and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled File. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Settings. This will open up the settings window where you can customize various aspects of how OBS operates and saves your recordings. In the settings window that appears, look at the left panel where you'll find several categories listed. Navigate through this panel and click on Output. This section controls all the technical details about how OBS processes and saves your video recordings, including file format, quality settings, and storage location. It's an essential menu for optimizing your recording workflow. Once you're in the Output section, scroll down through the available options until you locate the recording path field. This setting determines exactly where OBS will save your recorded videos on your computer. Next to the recording path, you'll see a Browse button. Go ahead and click this Browse button to open a File Explorer window that lets you choose your preferred storage location. When the file browser opens, you'll notice several options in the left panel. Here you can select from various locations including quick access folders, desktop, documents, downloads, or even other drives like an external SSD if you have one connected. Take a moment to choose the location that works best for your needs. If you've created a specific folder for your recordings, you can navigate to it here as well. Once you've selected your preferred destination, click Select Folder to confirm your choice and set it as your new recording path. Now, just below the recording path setting, look for an option called Recording Format. This controls what file type OBS uses when saving your videos. Click on the drop-down menu next to Recording Format to see all available options. From this list, select Hybrid MP4. Choosing MP4 over FLV gives you a more universally compatible format that's easier to edit and share across different platforms and devices. After making these changes, navigate to the bottom right corner of the settings window. You'll see two buttons there, Apply and OK. It's important to click Apply first to ensure your changes are saved to the OBS configuration. Then click OK to close the settings window and return to the main OBS interface. And that's it, you've successfully changed your OBS recording location and switched your file format to MP4. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.